Hi everybody, welcome to this Zenler workshop mentoring. Now what you're seeing here, this playlist will include all of the live workshops that I have run at the moment. So these workshops are currently being added to, and they're with our instructors that are using the Zenler platform, and there are many questions that are asked during these lives. Plus it's very much a linear course, so it takes you from an absolute beginner right the way through to an advanced user of the Zenler platform. So we really hope you love this new playlist that we've created for you. You're going to see that the lessons are ordered in numbers, so it's 1 through etc, so 1 2 3 4 5. Try to work from them in series, specifically if you are a new user to the platform. So hope you enjoy this, and this is all our live workshops that we are running currently.